Dear students, today we are going to learn talking about things too. Now let's observe the given pictures. अजीज़ तलबा, दी गई तस्वीर में हमें एक चूहा और एक टोपी नज़र आ रही है, लेकिन अलग अलग जगह पर। इसलिए जब हम इन तस्वीर के बारे में बोलेंगे तब हमें कुछ अल्फाज का इस्तेमाल करना है। वो अल्फाज है ऑन, इन, under, near, in front of, behind. Dear students, we use these words when we talk about the location or place of a thing or a person. Let's make sentences with the help of these words. Where is the mouse? There is a mouse in the hat. The mouse is in the hat. There is a mouse on the hat. The mouse is on the hat. There is a mouse under the hat. The mouse is under the hat. There is a mouse near the hat. The mouse is near the hat. There is a mouse in front of the hat. The mouse is in front of the hat. There is a mouse behind the hat. The mouse is behind the hat. Students, now you can make sentences with the help of these words. Thank you for watching.